We have confirmed visual on the fuselage. It's an A-10 Warthog.
Contact confirmed on primary sensor.
Matching schematic profile. It's an A-10.
Moving in closer for visual confirmation.
All right, hold it steady. Watch the starboard wing. Bring it down slow. Clear for washing.
Secure those chains tight to the deck.
Convoy approaching the main gate. Confirm clear path to the hangar.
Watch the overhead clearance on the right. Slow it down.
Main gate is clear. Negative contact on traffic. Proceed.
All right, deploy the 3D scanners on the wings. We need precise corrosion depths tailored to the diagnostics.
Stress levels are peaking at Sector 4.
Copy that.
The inertial dampeners are reading stable on the new HUD.
Good, I'm connecting the primary harness now. Make sure the torque is within tolerance.
Alignment variance detected on barrel 4.
Adjusting parameters. Variance is clearing.
Pressure spike on line 2.
Copy. Inspecting the fittings.
Pressure on the hydraulic gauges looks stable.
Confirmed. Initiating reassembly sequence.
Systems look good. Bringing them down.
Ground crew, confirm clear to move.
Cleared for taxi testing.
Response times confirmed. Validating Sector 4.
Copy. Setting final solution. Locked.